Welcome back! Today we're diving into the world of superfoods and why chia seeds should be in your morning routine. These little seeds pack a punch. We're talking about a boost in energy, a happy gut, and even helping your heart stay strong. Stay tuned as we break down the incredible benefits of chia seeds and how to easily incorporate them into your diet. First things first, let's talk about why chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for heart and brain health. They also bring a team of micronutrients, including iron, calcium, and manganese. It's like getting a multivitamin in a spoonful. And you only need a small amount to reap these benefits. Now, let's dive deeper into the specific health benefits of these mighty seeds. Let's talk about antioxidants. These bodyguards protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to health problems. Chia seeds are loaded with powerful antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid. These antioxidants fight inflammation and protect your body from damage. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you're giving your body an extra layer of defense. Trying to manage your weight? Chia seeds are your new best friend. The fiber in chia seeds absorbs water and expands in your stomach, creating a feeling of fullness. This reduces cravings and helps prevent overeating, essential for weight loss. Fiber also slows down digestion, regulating blood sugar levels and preventing energy crashes. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet supports your weight loss goals. Let's talk about gut health, something we all need to prioritize. A healthy gut is essential for overall well-being, from digestion to immunity and mental health. Chia seeds are an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance that promotes regular bowel movements, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool. This dynamic duo prevents constipation and supports a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Feeling sluggish? Chia seeds to the rescue! These tiny seeds provide sustained energy throughout the day. The fiber in chia seeds slows down digestion, providing a steady release of energy. The protein content further stabilizes blood sugar levels, preventing energy dips. Whether you're hitting the gym or tackling a busy workday, chia seeds keep you energized and focused. Let's talk about heart health, something we should all be mindful of. Chia seeds are a heart-healthy hero, thanks to their impressive omega-3 fatty acid content. These healthy fats reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet supports cardiovascular health and reduces the risk of heart disease. Now for the fun part, how to actually eat these amazing seeds. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile. Sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal for a nutritional boost. Blend them into smoothies for a thicker texture. Make chia seed pudding by mixing them with your favorite milk and sweetener, then let it sit overnight. Get creative and experiment with different ways to incorporate chia seeds into your meals and snacks. There you have it, 7 incredible benefits of starting your day with chia seeds. From boosting your nutrient intake to supporting your heart health, these tiny seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and nutrition advice.